The awnings get 5 different layers of protection of packaging. And the first 2 or 3 you can see here. First, the awning lays on a bed of large styrofoam blocks to cushion it from any impacts from underneath the awning. Then it gets completely encased and wrapped in a protective layer of bubble wrap. That keeps the awning clean and also gives it another layer of protection against small nicks and bumps. The accessory parts for the awning that are required to install it are packed in an integrated box that's formed into the end of the main awning box. And what you see Andrew packaging here are the mounting brackets that will be mounted on the house and will support the awning when it gets installed. And of course, we're always checking back to our bill of material to make sure that every component that's needed for the assembly and the installation of this awning gets included properly. Also included into the box will be a series of installation instructions, care and feeding instructions for the homeowner on how to care for his awning, warranty information, and information on operating the awning. Those instructions and that information goes into every awning that we manufacture. The warranty on this awning is quite extensive. It is a limited lifetime warranty on many of the frame components, with other aspects of the frame components being guaranteed for 12 years and the fabric and the motor having a 5-year warranty. The next step in the process is to use an expanding polystyrene bag. This bag has a pre-mixed combination of 2 chemicals, and when the seal between them is broken, the chemicals mix and a chemical reaction takes place that activates the polystyrene and fills the cavity of that parts box. We need to keep the parts stable during shipment so that they're not scratching and nicking each other. We're using another expanding polystyrene bag here to create a custom mold around the end of the awning. And that'll keep this awning protected for shipment. We ship our awnings around the country, some as far west as Washington State. So we have to go to a great degree of effort to make sure that we can ship them successfully without any damage. And that's why we require this much protection inside the awning box. We've now put on 4 layers of the 5 layers of protection for our packaging. We have our styrofoam blocks, we have our plastic bubble wrap, we have our expanding polystyrene bags, and we have our double wall corrugated boxing. This awning box will now be transported over to another line for the 5th layer of protection, and it'll be ready for shipment. Andrew's now applying a product called corner board to the awning. Corner board is a rigid, laminated paper product, somewhat like cardboard, and it gives an extra layer of protection and rigidity to the box. As I mentioned earlier, we ship these awnings to remodeling contractors, home improvement companies, and awning companies throughout the United States. So we really need to get a secure packaging system. And all of this packaging that we do guarantees that the product will arrive at our customer's location in the beautiful condition in which it left craft built. We'll put 2 more pieces of corner board on the top corners of the box, and then we'll run it through a bander. The awning will now be moved again to a transfer cart and taken to our shipping department, ready to ship. This awning's ready to go out to a customer who I'm sure is going to be very happy to get their awning in just a week or so.